Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anisa Fitria. Okay, in this occasion, today I would like to make some food. The name of this food is Nutella strawberry rolls. Okay, let's see how to make the Nutella strawberry rolls. Check it out.
Guys, now I would like to tell you what the ingredients, how to make Nutella strawberry rolls. The first one is bread, 1 egg, strawberries, milk, Nutella, butter, sugar, and the last one is cinnamon. Okay, we make the first step. That is, we knead the bread and smear the Nutella. And after that, put some strawberries. And after that, we roll it. Okay, we jump to the next step. Mix some sugar with the egg and a bit of milk. This is the sugar, and the last one we use milk. And mix it. And mix it until smoothie. Okay, after that, we mix the sugar and the cinnamon in a dish. The sugar, and the cinnamon. Mix it. Okay, done. Finally, spread a little butter in the pan. And turn on the lid. And fry the Nutella strawberry rolls for 2 minutes. And before that, the Nutella strawberry roll going to the egg. And after that, we only fry the Nutella strawberry only 2 minutes. Okay, the strawberry rolls to the pan.
Okay, we wait until 2 minutes until the Nutella strawberry rolls have ripped. Wow, it's so delicious! Nutella and strawberry rolls have ripped, and remove them from the pan and paste them with sugar and cinnamon. Okay guys, I finished to cook the Nutella strawberry rolls, and Nutella strawberry rolls ready to serve. Thank you. Maybe enough for me. I'm sorry if there are some mistake. And the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.